Students, now we are going to see solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. So that is 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0, 5x plus 7 whole divided by x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay. For this first problem, solving a quadratic equation by completing the square method. First problem, 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. For this is a quadratic equation, we have to follow some of the rules. First, we have to write the quadratic equation. Then, in this quadratic equation, what is the coefficient of x square? 9. The whole expression, whole equation, you have to divide by coefficient of x square. For here, what number you have, divided by that number, coefficient of x square. So here we have 9. So divided by 9. So x square minus 12 by 9 into x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. So cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. 3 table is possible. 4 times. Here 3 times. Now we have x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. First step completed. Second one, shift the constant term to the right hand side. We will shift the constant term to the right hand side. Which is the constant term? 4 by 9. So this 4 by 9 you have to transpose to right hand side. So that is x square minus 4 by 3 into x is equal to minus 4 by 9. Second step completed. Next, third step, we have to add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. What? Add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. So, for what is the coefficient of x? Minus 4 by 3. For this coefficient 1/2, that is divided by 2, number is added to both the sides. So that is minus 4 by 3 by 2. So that is equal to minus 4 by 6. This minus 4 by 6 whole square, their square number, add both the sides. So that is minus 4 by 6 whole square is equal to, for this number, plus minus 4 by 6 whole square equal to minus 4 by 9 plus minus 4 by 6 whole square. So that is x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 16 by 36. That is equal to minus 4 by 9 plus 16 by 36. We have to simplify this side. For this is, we have to take a LCM. LCM is 36. So both for numerator and denominator multiple by 4 for this first term. So that is minus 16 plus, for already it is a 36. So 16. For it is in the form a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is a minus b whole square. That is x minus 4 by 6 whole square. That is equal to, the simplified value is 0. So x minus 4 by 6 whole square equal to 0 by 36. That is equal to 0. So now, for it has a quadratic equation has two roots, that is x minus 4 by 6. For this one explanation, x minus 4 by 6 into x minus 4 by 6, that is equal to 0. So x minus 4 by 6 equal to 0. Another one root, x minus 4 by 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 by 6. For another one root also, x equal to 4 by 6. So 2 table is possible, common factor. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So the x values are 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Second question, 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. For the given question, not in a quadratic form. So you have to make it as a quadratic form. So that is cross multiplication. For it, otherwise you have to transpose this side. For this left hand side denominator, transpose to right hand side. 5x plus 7 equal to, for x minus 1 into 3x plus 2. So now 5x plus 7 equal to, make multiple these two. That is x into 3x, 3x square, x into 2, 2x, minus 3x minus 2. Now all the one transpose to left hand side. So that is write in order. In a standard form, 3x square minus x minus 2 minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. So all the one you have to transpose this side. Okay. So that is, for here transposing is this 5x plus 7 transpose to right hand side. For you have to make transpose to left hand side or right hand side. That's your wish. Okay. So for this problem, 5x plus 7 transpose to right hand side. So that is 3x square. For here 3x square is there, minus x minus 2. Wait just a minute. Students, one more step you have to write. That is 5x plus 7 equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 3x. You have to simplify in the right hand side. So that is 3x square minus x minus 2. Then this left hand side value transpose to this side. So that is 3x square minus x minus 2 minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify according to the like terms. 3x square minus these two like terms. So you have to add minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. It is in the quadratic form. Then we have to follow the rules. First you have to divide by the coefficient of x square. So that is x square 6 by 3, that is 2, minus 3 by 3. Sorry, minus 9 by 3. So that is equal to minus 3 equal to 0, whole divided by 3. We get this equation. Then this constant term you have to transpose to right hand side. That is x square minus 2x equal to 3. Then we have to add both the side the square of the coefficient of x. Square of half of their coefficients of x. So that is x square minus 2 by x. For minus 2, what is the half value divided by 2? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, both side you have to add. So that is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1. For it is in the form x minus 1 whole square equal to 4. So x minus 1 is equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 value plus or minus 2. So then for x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 2. So x is equal to this minus 1 transpose this side 1 plus or minus 2. So that is for we have two values 1 plus 2 or x is equal to 1 minus 2. So x equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1. First solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. The first question 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Second question root 2 into f square minus 6 into f plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. Third question 3y square minus 20y minus 23 equal to 0. Fourth question 36y square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square equal to 0. For this formula method, first you have to write the formula. Ax, it is the general form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. First question 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. You have to compare with the general form. Identify the value a value, b value, c values. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. Write the formula. Minus x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. B value is minus 5. Already one minus in the formula. So it's become a plus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus 5 whole square, that is 25 minus 4 into a value 2, c value 2 whole divided by 2 into a. A is 2. So 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus multiple these 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 whole divided by 4, 2 2s are 4. So 5 plus or minus, simplify this inside the square root value, that is 9 by 4. That is 5 plus or minus root 9 value is 3 whole divided by 4. Now we have the values x is equal, for it is x is equal to 5 plus or minus 3 by 4. So x value, one value is plus value 5 plus 3 by 4 or x equal to 5 minus 3 by 4. So 5 plus 3, 8 by 4 equal to 2. For here x is equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 4. Cancelling is possible, we have to make cancel. Fourth table, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. One x value is 2, another one value is 1 by 2. Second question, root 2 f square minus 6f, root 2 f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. For it is a, it is b, it is c. So a equal to root 2, b equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3 root 2. Write the formula. What variable is given? We have to use f is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So b value is minus 6. Already in the formula we have one minus, so it's become 6 plus or minus. Minus 6 whole square 36 minus 4 into a value root 2, b value 3 into root 2 whole divided by 2 into a value is root 2. 6 plus or minus 36 minus, for root 2 into root 2, for that is 4 root 2 into 3 root 2. So that is 4 3s are 12, root 2 into root 2, 2. That is equal to 24. So 36 minus 24 whole divided by 2 root 2. 6 plus or minus square root of, subtract these two, that is 12 whole divided by 2 root 2. These two you have to subtract, you get 12 whole divided by 2 root 2. So that is, we have a two values, 6 plus or minus 2 root 2. For this 12 is written as, for this 12 root 12 is written as, it is root 4 into root 3. So that is root 4 value, root 4 value 2 root 3. Okay, root 12 is rewritten as 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 2. So for in these two, 2 is common, take outside. So 3 plus or minus root 3 by root 2 root 2. 2 cancel. After cancelling we have 3 plus or minus root 3 by root 2. So that is f value 3 plus root 3 by root 2, or f equal to 3 minus root 3 by root 2. Okay, have you understood this? For 6, 2 is the plus 6 plus or minus 2 root 3. For in these two common terms are there, you have to take outside. 2 is common. So you have to take outside, which is remaining 3. It is written as 2 into 3. 2 is taken outside, so it is 1. For here coefficient is 1. Okay, so this is written as 3 plus or minus root 3 by root 2. Then we have to write the values separately, plus values and minus value. Third question, find yourself, that is like as a first and second problem. Fourth question, 36y square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square equal to 0. Okay, for here 3 variables are given. You have to identify which is the related to the quadratic. Okay, for it is square term, for a square y, it is constant. So it is related to, it is a quadratic equation with the variable y. Okay, so that is coefficient of y square is 36, coefficient of y is minus 12a. This is considered as constant. So a equal to 36, b equal to minus 12a, c is equal to a square minus b square. Write the formula. We found already variable is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. B value is minus 12a, so it is 12a plus or minus 12a whole square. 12 square is 144, a whole square is a square minus 4 into a value 36, b value a square minus b square whole divided by 2 into a value is 36. So 12a plus or minus 144 a square minus, you have to make multiple this to, you have to, for 36 into 4 is 144 into a square minus b square whole divided by 72. 36 into 2, 72. Now 12a plus or minus, for it is this 144 take inside the bracket. Okay, that is square root of 144 a square minus 144 a square minus into minus plus 144 b square whole divided by 72. Inside the square root, you have to make simplified. These two cancel. Plus value and minus value become cancel. That is 12a plus or minus 12b whole divided by 72. That is why it is a 12b root. For here you have 12a plus or minus square root of, sorry, for here you write 12a plus or minus square root of 144 b square whole divided by 72. So that is, now this root 144 value is 12, root b square value is b, that is whole divided by 72. So now 12 is common, 12 take outside, that is 12 into a plus or minus b whole divided by 72. 112 is 12, 6 times is 72. So y is equal to, that is equal to a plus or minus b whole divided by 6. So that is y equal to a plus b whole divided by 6, or y equal to a minus b whole divided by 6.